Hey gang, RV Jerry here, and today we're going to put a new awning on our Jamboree. Okay, these are two arms or legs, whatever you want to call them, and I've got the old tube out. There's the other one, and I've got a little scaffolding here that I'm going to use. The awning's only 8 feet long, so it won't hang to the ground, and I have no other helpers. Here's the big long tube. I'm just kind of cleaning it up. And over here are these two ends. Okay, this is the end without the crank. That's going to go right on the tube. And this is the end with the crank. That goes on the tube, or that goes on the arm, and that part goes on the tube. I also have a new awning here. It came in like a 8-foot tube, probably a 9-foot tube, and the awning's rolled up 8 foot long. So I have this area cleaned off, all swept down. We're going to put that awning in the tube, and then we're going to put that tube on the scaffolding around the side of the awning, like down at this end, and then as I put it in the upper attachment where it goes there, right up there, and slides in that little groove, I will just move the scaffolding on down that way. We'll do a little video of it. So I'm going to get this cleaned up right now. Okay, so that doesn't stick on the sharp edges of the metal, that plastic guide goes on there, and now it should be able to slide right in. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. It is on. Whew. Okay, this cap is not the screw cap, or not the wind-up cap, so it has 2 screw holes here. I can probably match it up with those 2. It'd be like there and there. Oh! Guess what? This is too big around for this. Okay, I had to squeeze this together. I used a pipe squeezer, those chain things. Then I had to cut this piece here. I cut it 3 times around The other side, one's here, one's here, one's on the back side. Squeeze that together, and then squeeze that, use the pipe clamp, squeeze this tube together so it'd be small enough so this would fit on it. And then the self-tapping screws came with the unit here, so we're good to go. Okay, here we go with this one. And this one has the same type of, so you got one hole there. Alright, goes on one way. There we go. We have two of these holes to put these self-tapping screws into. Stopped for some reason. Okay, there you go. I got both ends on, and some bolts in each one. We'll see how it works.